Hello, people. How are you? Hope you're having a good day. Today I just post a post in my YouTube channel, and I asked what should be included in the next video. So, how to find trending niches, 19%. How to find evergreen niches, 56%. How to make original designs, 13%, and how to make sounds 30%. So it won evergreen niches. I was thinking of showing you an old way I had when I was in tier 10 or tier 100. And I wanted to grow my account fast. I started searching for different ways to find niches. One of these way I'm gonna show it to you now. It was using Twitter. So now I'm going to Twitter and I'm gonna show you my process here.
Wait for a bonus tip at the end of the video.
This process, not always you find t-shirt ideas or niches, but sometimes I found niches like 4 or 5 times. I found ideas that start selling. Once I sold like 200 t-shirts with one idea of Black History Month. So you have to have luck and good eye, but sometimes it works. If other methods don't work for you, you can use this. First I will go to what's happening, go to trending, and see and search for long phrases here, quotes. For example, politics are very tempting, but I don't usually upload politics anymore. But for example, Trump, go for Mexico was a t-shirt trending. Hello competition.
What is that? Que sí. Wait for a competition.
You can search if there's something that can help you for a t-shirt. No, I don't find anything. They're more trending again. Okay, I don't find anything. So second step will see if I found t-shirt in the search. Let's see. Here we found one. No, you have to check the look. This one have 39,000 views. This one can work. So I'll make a folder here. X, and I already take this and save it. We go down more. 21,000 views. That is okay. That my put scroll not Barno. Leave this now. No, you see, but that there are a lot of. This one is good. Was 1,032 likes. And then we're gonna search on merch if we got some VSR. Okay, no. And this is Panic. Once I tried uploading this code and it got rejection. So no. Then I will try this. I need this on a t-shirt. Let's see if we find something.
Well, no.
Maybe this one got the Sultan kit.
Wow, this is good. Yeah.
This one is fun. And now then you can search for a new t-shirt or t-shirt. Let's see if we find something interesting. Have to be careful with a lot of the times they are trademarks or they are very insulting. This one is better not be. But sometimes you get lucky and you find something that is new, fresh, and you make up surprises setting it. If you didn't find anything like with this, I got a final tip.
Welcome to my final tip.
For you, but you have to be very careful. When I search for this one, once I found many Twitter accounts that sold t-shirts, and I found one that had like 3 million followers, medium. So I'm gonna show it to you. Maybe you know it. Let's see this one. Shirts that go hard. This almost all these shirts are very insulting, disgusting, sexual. But sometimes you get lucky and you find some that are not, and you have to just give them a different approach. And of course, as you design, don't copy the same design. But I've sold in the beginning of my career in merch, I sold t-shirts like this, then making this approach. Because as you see, they all have tons of lights. You see? This one, how do you go? This one make it come what? Of course, remember, you don't do it the same design. Text, I think they're not trademark, so that they're safe. But if you do the same design, you can have trouble. For example, this is funny, and cost 7,000 here. No, this no. You see, this no. I don't know. This there. I think there are players of Foggy or something like that. You see, but you like this. You can find new trending slang Gen Alpha themes. For example, like no, this is like controversial. COVID controversial. This is trademark. This is controversial. So ever since this perhaps can in the gay community. It's okay, and you see it has already 400,000 used. Okay, then what I would do, for example, I cut my let's see this one, the black sheep of the family. Okay, we go to a search, the black sheep of the family. You see we got results. The black sheep, yeah, we got results, but a lot. Wow, 6,000 results. But let's see if I demand, because it's the black sheep, but it's very different design from that one. No, I don't think. Let's see another one. This is Studio. Let's see. Having money in your pocket is nice. I mean, money is nice. Let's see if we have results. The 7. We have results, but the 7 and 3 already sold. You see, this is turning into something. Okay, then we can go. For girls with books, scroll the book. Let's see for girls with books. For girls with book. You see we have results. 1,400. You see it, man. Then don't see it anywhere. Perhaps Sabet. You're gonna love 2 of them. For girls with books. We got one selling. You wanna give it a try? Let's see another one. Dear Racists in America, Carly Chopini. This might be controversial also, but let's see the result. We have results 67. 67. We have results and exciting. If you take the risk, you can do this one. What I will do next, for example, if you choose this one, assuming it's risky, I would take a snapshot here. Because we don't want part of any hero, and I would go to my gems. I got a lot of gems to create the designs. If you don't know how to build gems to create designs, just click the link I'm showing you now. There, picture how to. And I will use one of my gems. This one of my favorite. It's a personal listing I have. I will put it there, and I will put essence. I will also include the same exact. Let's see what we got. And now it's gonna show me 5 results with different art styles. You see, we have the first results. Let's see what we got. Go to our new nano banana. Repeat 1. Let's see the second one. Let's see the third one here. And let's see the results. Cool. You see the result? Wow, it's very different from the original one, you see. I will download this. We got a result here. I will download this. I will then edit some stuff in Photoshop, delete background, and upscale. I'm ready to upload. You see the design is very different from the original one. And text is perfect, just like the original one. This is why I choose Nano Banana. And the third one, oh, this is good, but it's not the right size. That means it's aspect ratio 4:5. So now, cool. And I got my new result with this kind of tattoo art style that I like. Okay, guys, I hope you find a different method to find niches or inspiration. If you wanna use the gems. Remember to see my previous videos where I taught you how to build them, and you can include any reference on them, any kind of style, art. You can make it very personal and unique. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, please subscribe, tell your friends, and I will read you in the comments. See you in the next one. Thank you.